Hello everyone, I am Korobi and welcome back to my channel. दोस्तों, आप लोगों को तो शायद ये पता ही होगा कि पूरी जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा कल से शुरू होने वाला है और आप लोगों को ये भी मालूम होगा कि उड़ीसा स्टेट का स्टेट फ्लावर क्या है। ये है उड़ीसा का स्टेट फ्लावर जिसे हम असमीज में कहते हैं अशोक फूल, द अशोका फ्लावर। ये अलग अलग रंगों में से आते हैं। मेरे पास 2 कलर्स हैं। Dear friends, there are 2 main characteristics of this Asoka plant. Firstly, it's very easy to grow, and secondly, it blooms almost the entire year. Friends, we need to consider 3 things for this plant. Number 1, you have to water the plant once daily in dry season. In Assam, we have plenty of rainfall here, so I have to water the plant for about 2 months in a year. Secondly, at the end of the blooming season or when there are less flowers, we have to cut the dry leaves, dry flowers and dead branches so that the plant can grow well in the next season. And thirdly, at the same time, that is at the end of the flowering season, the soil is to be nurtured with a mixture of cow dung and vermicompost. If you have homemade compost, that is the compost made from your kitchen waste like fruit peels, vegetable peels, egg shells, etc., then it's much better because it is far more nutritious. You'll be surprised to know that animals and insects also love these flowers. I have pet cats and they simply sit here in the evening. And the kittens, they love to play in the shades of these trees. This is also a favorite hangout places for different types of butterflies and insects. I have a variety of flowers in my garden. They are all blooming in their full glory this summer season. I even have a pond for water lilies. But these Asoka flowers are simply awesome. Viewers, hope the video was useful. So please press the like button to share with your friends and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.